Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below, to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Afghanistan pilau. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. The ingredients that we're going to use today to make this pilau, you're going to need some chicken, or else you can use some meat, 2 cups of basmati rice, some salt, curry powder, ginger and garlic paste, some cumin seeds, some raisins, 2 onions, some lime, or else you can use a lemon, 4 carrots, 4 green chilies, or else you can also use some habanero, and lastly we're going to need some black pepper. So without further ado, tune in. So the first step, we'll start by cutting our vegetables. We'll start by cutting the lime into 2. Then you're going to take your carrots, peel the outer skin, then cut the carrots into 4, then slice them into long strips, as you can able to see in the video. Next step, you're going to take your green chilies and remove the tip. Then afterwards, you're going to take your onions, then peel the outer skin and slice the onion into slices as so. Then I'm going to cut the chicken. If you're not a fan of chicken, of course, you can able to use some meat. Cut the chicken into 2. I've used the thigh and I have 2 pieces of thigh, so I'll be having 4 chicken pieces. So we're going to go ahead and prepare our Afghan Pulao. You're going to place a pan on a medium heat and pour some oil and let the oil to become hot. Once the oil is hot, you're going to place the carrots and fry them for approximately 3 minutes. So you don't want the carrot to be super soft, we want our carrot to be a bit crunchy. After 3 minutes, we're going to remove the carrot and place them aside. Then afterwards, we're going to also fry our raisins for approximately 30 seconds. And once ready, remove them and place them aside. So next step, place a medium pot on a medium heat. Then you're going to pour the hot oil that we've used recently. Then you're going to add the chicken. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Sprinkle a bit of salt and some black pepper. Mix very well, then cover to let the chicken to cook on a medium heat. So basically, by making this chicken, the easiest way is to add all the ingredients together and let the chicken to cook once and for all. But personally, I just prefer to add my ingredients step by step. So I'm going to add curry powder 1 teaspoon and hot water 1.5 cup. Then cover to let the chicken to continue to cook. Lastly, I'm going to add the onions, the green chilies, and half a piece of lime, or else you can use a lemon, and if you don't have, it's not a must. Mix everything well, then let the chicken to cook until it becomes super soft. Once the chicken is nicely cooked and soft, it's high time to make our pulao. I'm going to use a rice cooker, or else you can use a pot. You're going to pour 1 cup of the chicken soup and 2 cups of hot water. Add some salt to taste, then add 2 cups of clean basmati rice or any rice that you prefer, and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Mix everything well, then cover to let the pulao to cook on a medium heat until the water becomes less. Once the water becomes less, at this point you're going to add the cooked chicken, the fried carrots, and the fried raisins. You're going to place them on top as so, then cover using an aluminium foil, then let it to continue to cook until the water is completely dry and the pilau is nicely cooked. So I've just decided I'm going to place the pilau in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until the pilau is nicely cooked and the water is completely dry. After 30 minutes, our chicken pilau is ready, as you can able to see in the video. Oh my god, this chicken pilau looks absolutely
absolutely delicious. I'm going to serve myself so you can able to see how this chicken pilau is nicely cooked. Like guys, from the look, the rice came out absolutely amazing. And then the fact it came out one by one, like oh my god. I'm salivating here. I'm serving myself, but I'm salivating. I can't wait to dig in.
Bismillah. Oh my god. It tastes so good, and the fact that it has carrots and raisin, it makes it more sweeter. Like the combo of salt and sugar tastes absolutely delicious. Cheers. And our Afghan pulao is ready, as you can able to see in the video. Oh my god, this pulao looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Oh my god. And if you guys have enjoyed this recipe, please kindly give the video a big thumbs up, and of course share with others, and see you next time. Doei.